Welcome to Homework Lib.
Question 42 is asking you to find the inverse function of f of x equals square root of x squared minus 4, where x is greater than or equal to 2. So starting off, finding that inverse function for part A, we can say y is equal to square root of x squared minus 4. Now solving for x, y squared equals x squared minus 4, square root of y squared plus 4 is equal to x. Then if you flip x and y, that would be your inverse function, so f inverse of x is equal to square root of x squared plus 4. Now graphing, first starting with our function f, we are starting at 2, 0, and we are approaching the center line y equals x as we go to infinity. Then for f inverse of x, we are starting at 0, 2, and moving the same way towards y equals x to infinity. Part C, they want you to describe the relationship between f and f inverse. As you can see, we drew this y equals x. These two functions are symmetric about the line y equals x. Then it wants you to find the domain and range for f and f inverse. Starting with f, we have our domain from this original equation, so that would be 2 to infinity, domain, and then your range for f would be 0 to infinity, because it starts here at 0 and goes on to infinity. For f inverse, it essentially would be flipped, so our domain is 0 to infinity, again starting here at 0 on the x-axis, and then our range would be 2 to infinity. And that's your answer for question 42.